Hey guys, it's Donald here. Today we will show you how to create multiple stunning floral arrangements with the same flowers, making your design cost effective and efficient. The first step is to select flowers and color that work harmoniously together. Stick to a cohesive color palette and choose similar flowers varieties for each arrangement. This will streamline your purchasing process and reduce waste, saving you both time and money. Once you have made the small coffee table arrangements, it's time to transform them into a luxurious hand-tied bouquet. Gather the similar stems, trim them to the desired length, and arrange them in a beautiful spiral formation. But that's not all. You can also use this technique to create a captivating centerpiece in a pedestal container. By using the same flowers and colors from the initial arrangements, you will maintain a cohesive theme throughout the event or space. Experiment with different design techniques and style to create a centerpiece that complements the overall decor. Whatever you are designing for everyday use or a special occasion, this cost-effective and efficient approach will allow you to offer consistent and visually appealing arrangements that will delight your customers. So let your creativity bloom and create stunning floral designs with passion.